we gonna fry these bad boys. We just gonna hope for the best. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're doing fried vegan ribs. Let's get started. All right guys, I'm starting off with 2 cans of rinsed jackfruit, and I'm gonna put in my homemade taco seasonings. It's simply 1 tablespoon of all the seasonings you see listed above. I'm adding in some extra virgin olive oil and mixing thoroughly, and I did not put salt in the mixture, so I'm generously adding salt afterwards so you don't have to worry about it being salty. Now I'm putting it on my cast iron pan in a neat line because we're going to roast on 350 for 10 minutes, and then you're going to flip and roast the other side. After your jackfruit has come out of the oven, you're going to place into a bowl and you're going to start mashing. This took a minute, y'all. This is on 8 times speed, and your girl arm was tired, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just mashing, pulling with a fork. It should look like pulled pork when everything is said and done, okay? So you're gonna have to put some work into it, but it's well worth it. Oh, so good. Because I was almost out of vital wheat gluten, y'all, I used 1.5 cups instead of what I did the last video, which is 1.25 cups. So we just gonna hope it works out, all right? Now we're gonna take 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. We're going to take a tablespoon of paprika, smoked to be exact, a tablespoon of onion and garlic powder. We're going to mix that on in. Yes, I'm using the measuring cup. Why should I dirty up more dishes, okay? You're going to generously add some salt. Now we're going to add some pepper. We're mixing again with the measuring spoon because we can. Now get out your jackfruit, and now I'm kind of going in with a fine tooth comb, trying to get out any of the hard pieces. You don't want anything to mess up your ribs. Here I'm showing you a seed that you definitely want to take out. After you're done going through the tedious task of taking out all the extra pieces, you're going to add 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of coconut aminos. I would do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Coconut aminos is less salty, so I'll up the liquid. Mixing in the wet with the dry, I started off with a fork, but we're gonna have to get down dirty and use our hands and start to knead, okay? I kneaded for about 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't calculate, but I know I was watching YouTube and some time went by, okay? So get in there because you want all the flavors and the textures to mingle together. This is me putting way too much extra virgin olive oil into a pan, but we're gonna make it work. That's okay. You're gonna take your ribs and press them into the pan, and also you're going to score them with a knife so that it's easier to cut once they come out of the oven. I had my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and so now we're going to place our ribs inside for 20 minutes. Now I'm taking them out and we're going to flip. Now I know this is a little tough to flip, so therefore guys, I actually going to cook the other side on residual heat as not to burn my ribs. So after you flip, put them back in the oven. If your ribs are pretty tough like mine were, then you're going to cut off the oven and let them cook on residual heat once again for 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes has elapsed on the residual heat. I'm taking the ribs out of the oven. It looks like some little burnt brownies, but that's okay, y'all. Let's work with this recipe. It's not over. So here I am taking those pre-scored lines and going ahead and cutting out the ribs, and let's fry these bad boys up. Okay guys, this is gonna seem weird, but I couldn't find any vegan fried rib recipes on the internet, and all the people who do real fried ribs said to use mustard, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take our rib slabs, okay? Woo, they hot, that's all right. We're gonna take our rib slabs, we're gonna put them in the bowl. Bow. That's all right, they fall apart, they tender, that's all right. Bam. This is why I cooked the rest on residual heat. I knew this was gonna be hot. This right here is gonna have to be something else. We'll put that on a sandwich. All right, just work with it. We're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see. They said use mustard. Oh, this is brand new. This is brand new mustard. Come on. All right. Bam. Oh, I like mustard. I know some of y'all nervous. I like mustard. I think it's gonna be a nice little punch. I think it's gonna be cute. Now I have about 1 cup of flour in here, so we're gonna season this bad boy up. We're gonna take some Slap Your Mama. 1, 2, 3, ancestor said stop. Okay. Gonna take some onion powder. Dude, y'all can't see that because it's white, but it's all right. It's in there. Okay. Bam. Take some garlic powder. Doop-de-doop-doop. Okay. And some salt. Shake that on up in there. All right, we're gonna coat our ribs, all right? Okay, let's talk about what I did wrong so far. When I put the mustard on the ribs, y'all, please don't just squirt it and not spread it. Get you a basting brush and spread the mustard around, because now, as you see, my flour is clumpy. Don't do that, all right? All right, boom, let's go over to the fryer. Y'all follow me. Bam, I already got it heated. She ready. So as you can see, the flour is very clumpy also when it even came out the fryer. I'm not going to say guaranteed if you spread the mustard it's going to be beautiful, but we know for sure it will look better than mine if you coat your ribs evenly and not do what I did, all right? Okay, so let's not lie. These ribs do not look delicious. Let's try them though. Again, there's no vegan fried ribs on the internet, and maybe we see why, okay? So, not in focus. Now, we know the inside not gonna look pretty. I don't care if you made my original rib recipe from 2013. I don't know when that was, when I was smaller. But they don't look pretty on the inside. They never have. But I'm saying the outside don't even look pretty. What is that? But let's see what it tastes like though, okay, y'all? And this also, I would definitely put barbecue sauce because I would have to, okay? Oh, that's good. Seasoned very well. I like this. Woo! All right, let's fry the rest. Let's see how we could zhuzh it up, because you can't serve it like that. Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna put the ugly ribs down. We're gonna fix it, don't you worry. Don't you worry. I wish I had one big long one, but they broke up because they tender. I don't know what these look like. I don't know. I need another one in the middle. Put another one in the middle. How you make this look cute? Y'all know I hate plating with a passion. Alright, we'll fix that in a minute. I got this Sticky Fingers Carolina sweet barbecue sauce. It was in my fridge. I don't know. Alright, let's boom, bam, boom like that. Okay, and you know you gotta hit it with the parsley or they won't eat it, okay? Because this don't look good. We know it don't. Bam. Okay. I eat that now. I eat this now. Okay, that's how you have to serve it. Oh, y'all didn't see none of that. It was out of focus. Oh my gosh, why y'all didn't say nothing? Because y'all not here. Boom. That's what we did right there. That's what we did. Okay guys, I already know I'm gonna like this, but let's do it anyway. Here we go. It's so good. I don't know what I'm gonna tell y'all. It's flavorful. It could be prettier. I'm thinking maybe I should have shook the batter, like maybe massaged the mustard. I don't know. I didn't want to break up the rib. It's not a real rib, you know. This is flour at the end of the day. Flour and jackfruit. I do think I like it with a toucan. I don't know. I like the recipe, y'all. I was talking a little piece of rib still there, but it is good. Make the old school recipe. Doesn't matter. Get to cooking. Bye.
I wasn't expecting it to be that soft.
Tender?
Yeah, tender.
Oh yeah, it's flour. At the end of the day, it's flour.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Okay. All right.
She eats, but she not.
Oh, it's recording already? Okay.
Oh yeah.
I see. All right. Here we go.
Your face not on there. It's tilted to the thing.
It's really good flavor. You definitely get the crunch. The textures it's not weird at all.
Like it's different. I don't know what I would compare it to because I've been at the game so long. But what would you compare the texture to?
I was gonna say but it's not as soft as a crab cake.
Okay.
Maybe like a crab or like a salmon. Well, no.
Oh, like a salmon. I know you're talking about what my mom used to fry salmon patties all the time on the stove. Yep.
Yeah. That.
I love it. I love it. Y'all was like, the flavor's good. I don't know what the texture is, but the flavor's good.
Yeah, the texture is like a salmon patty.
Well, there y'all go. I'm gonna get a guess who camera ready next time, y'all. But
I ain't never camera ready. Ever.
all right, y'all. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.